And a 13 for the other strap.
Yeah, right. Let's gearbox out. And that 3/8 gun.
No, I just went out of bits because I threw them all up there.
Oh, right. Oil. Oil leaking now, right? Everything off at the top, yeah? It's everywhere. What's on the sand holding it?
Look, it's just the wires at the front going. That's oily, isn't it?
What's that?
That's oily. Oh, it's that, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the clutch there.
Toast. Toast. Flywheel's a little bit burnt. Ain't no playing the flywheel, so I'm just going to clean all that up. It's going to be disc. Get rid of the burn marks. But the flywheel's actually fine. Got the right amount of left to right. So that's all good. Huh? Nah. I've got to log. It told me to log in from another device. So I'll do it from my computer when I get home. Lovely and wet. Look at that. Beautiful. Just had a massive fucking downpour.
Lovely.
Alright. Love the rain in England. Battery's flat again. Oh. Well, I've gone through so many batteries already. I'm going to have enough batteries left to record the 2020 Movana. I've only got 2 more batteries left after this one. Fucking shit. Ow! Fucking head. Yeah, GoPro, sort your lives out. These batteries, mate, they're shockingly